Barrick Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning 2015 Mazda CX-5. Now starting off at the front, I'm going to walk you through the condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle as well. On the front here, as you can see, it does present in really good condition, especially in that black. There are maybe one or two minor stone chips on the front, which we have actually gone through the effort to touch up for you. But overall, the actual condition of this vehicle does present really well. You've got that silver front grille there with the Mazda badging right in the middle. It does blend in nice and tidy with that grille, and it does contrast really well with the black paintwork as well. Those headlights are quite large, and you have got the projector beam in there as well. There is one very minor mark on the bonnet there, just a little line, which, if I'm being super picky, does stand out. However, it is not noticeable unless you're looking for it. Along the side of the vehicle now, first steel wheel does present in really good condition. It is completely unmarked, and you do get brand new tires on this as well at the time of this video. On the side here, I can't actually fault it, even if I'm being super picky. Actually, there is one minor mark there, but I do believe that will just buff out. We've got color-coded side mirrors and door handles, and we've also got the indicator built into the door handle there, which just cleans up that whole quarter panel, keeps the whole side of the vehicle nice and tidy. Now this side of the vehicle, if I'm going to give you a full condition report, does present in really good condition, so I can't actually fault the paintwork on this side at all. But if we open it up, have a look on the inside, you can see the seat bolsters are all in really good condition, so very minimal wear for the age of the vehicle. Even the scuff plates and door trims are all really good condition there, and where people get lazy and kick the doors open, even the doors are all pretty much unmarked as well. The windows have been very slightly tinted. If you did want to go a little bit darker, we can help you out with our bold carbon premium window tint. That next steel wheel there, once again completely unmarked. There's still plenty of tread left in those tires. Making our way along to the back now, we've got those really sharp taillights that go right from the back of the vehicle all the way into the tailgate. Opening up the boot now, you can see we do get that really nice cargo blind in there, which is going to keep everything in the back nice and private. And if we lift that up, you do get your space saver spare just under there as well. To use the cargo blind, you simply pull it out and clip it up to the mounting points on the tailgate. If you don't want to use it, unclip it and put it back. Closing that back up, we'll keep making our way along this side now. The fuel filler cap is on the passenger side just here, and the next set of steel wheels, the ones that are quite often parked next to the curb and got the most amount of scratches, completely unmarked. Paintwork along this side of the vehicle does present in really good condition, so I can't even fault this side, even if I am being super picky. There are a couple marks here from the detailing, but really nothing concerning at all. That next steel wheel, once again, completely unmarked. Yeah, completely unmarked. There's a couple marks from the glue from the tires, but nothing really concerning. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. You're going to look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Power output from the engine is 114 kilowatts with 200 newton meters of torque. The fuel tank holds 56 litres of 91 fuel, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 6.6 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 848 kilometers from a full tank. Alright, taking a look inside the Mazda now, just in the driver's side door here, you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is a lock button for your power windows, and above that again the toggle for your side mirrors. Now if you turn the toggle all the way to the bottom, your mirrors do actually fold in. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our button for the iStop, so the engine will actually turn itself off while you come to a stop at a traffic light, just to save you a bit of fuel. Your tire pressure reset and your traction control settings there. On the right hand stalk, we've got indicators and headlight controls, and on the left hand side here, all your washer and wiper controls. On the steering wheel itself, on the right hand side here, we've got all your cruise control settings, and on the left hand side, all your media and entertainment controls. Now there is also a little info button here that lets you switch through what you see in the right hand cluster. In the center display, I'm just going to put the car into reverse and show you the nice reverse camera you got. So it has got that red line to warn you when you're getting close to something behind you, and the actual camera itself is a very nice wide angle view there. there is also a drop down menu there just to change a few of the camera settings. In terms of your media, you've got AM and FM radio. You've also got a USB and AUX input, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. Now, the vehicle itself does not have maps at the moment, does not have navigation. However, if you did want to add navigation, that is an option we can explore for you. Just down here we've got the air conditioning controls, and just under here we've got your 2 USB ports and an AUX input, as well as a slot to put your navigation SD card if you did opt for that option. Just behind here we've got the sports shifter, so if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the right, you can switch through the gears manually. You've also got a little dial here that lets you switch through sports and normal. You've also got the dials for the head unit. Now, even though it is touchscreen, this just makes it really easy so you don't have to lean over and use that. There is an electric park brake just here, so down for on, down for off and up for on. 2 big cup holders and a little storage if you did want to keep your keys while the car is running. Because it is keyless entry, you can just store your keys in there. Now, you do get 2 factory keys with this, which is always good to know. Got that leather wrapped center console there with a couple segments in it, so there is a fair bit of storage in there, and that little tray on top if you did want to store your phone or some coins or something while you're driving. If we pan around the interior quickly, you will notice that the whole roof lining and the actual interior condition of all the seats is in really good order, so very well looked after for a 2015 Mazda. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this stunning Mazda CX-5. As you can see, it has been very well looked after for a 2015 model. Something I would highly recommend, especially in that black color, is the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork and protect you against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and many more environmental damages. The other thing would be the mechanical protection plan. So that's going to give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. It will also give you up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist and up to 200,000 kilometers of cover. Now, although these things are additional costs, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and tailor a package to suit your needs, and it will only adjust your payments by a very small amount. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. But just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews. That's something to be proud of, because we do deliver great service, ensure that you are getting into a good quality vehicle from the right people. So the number to call us on is 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.